everyone, Prestissima here. Today we're going to learn an English folk song and a lullaby called the Riddle Song. The Riddle Song not only has some very puzzling lyrics, it also has some intriguing technical challenges. So let's get started. The Riddle Song uses notes from the F major scale. We just learned the F major scale. Remember, it has a B flat. It's F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Back down, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Excellent. All right, so first of all, we have our time signature. We're in 4/4, meaning we have 4 beats to each measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. And then we already see right up front that we have some eighth notes, so we got to make sure and subdivide, right? We see some eighth rests, so we're going to make sure to count those rests. Those are silent, but we still count them. And then, look here. We have a pickup measure, right? So normally there's 4 beats in a measure, and this is just the very end of this measure. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and this is the and of 4. So let's go ahead and try counting it together. I'm going to count it for you. We're going to start on, I'll count off 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we'll come in on the and of 4. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 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 and. All right, this time I'm going to try to play it and count it at the same time. You follow along with me, okay? So I'm going to count off the most of this first measure, and we'll come in on the and of 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 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 and. Good job. Now let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to count off 4 and start on 1. I'm not going to point at it this time, so you use your eyes and try to follow along with me, okay? So I'll get you started. We're going to start on C and F. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And. Okay, so you're going to practice your right hand. You're going to practice your left hand. Make sure you're counting and counting all your subdivisions, right? So then after, you're going to put your hands together. Then you're going to learn the lyrics and sing while you play. And then you're going to learn the solfege and sing the solfege while you play. And here I'll give you some tips. Okay, so let's look at the right hand. We have some intriguing technical challenges. So, let's see here. We're going to start on our 2 finger. Okay, now notice that there is a half note here that we want to hold down while we play the rest of these notes. Right? It sounds like this. See how you have that note, the A held down? That sounds cool, right? All All right, so you hold it as long as you can. Try to get it all the way through the 2 counts while you play the 2 finger on the rest of the moving notes. See that? Excellent. All right, so here you're going to hold that A down again for 2 counts, but the rest of your hand will move, right? So 3, 4, 5. Now, you do what you need to do. This is the best fingering for me, but if you find other fingerings that work better for you, go ahead and write them in so that you can remember. So I'll play the A, hold that down, and then the rest of the line moves, right? Ooh. Okay, good. This is the hard part, right? Holding that half note down. Let's try here. Okay, that's cool. Okay, there's silence right here. There's an 8th rest. So in the right hand, you're going to lift, and then you're going to play that 8th note. But in the bottom part of that, you have to hold it down. So you have to hold that A down, and then the right hand goes 3, 4, and. Okay? So you're going to have to practice that. 3, 4, and, right? So let's try it. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, good job. All right, then we have 1 and 5 here. And make sure you hold that C down, right? Okay, so here it wants the 2 for that top note. So I'm going to jump my whole hand up. I'll play 1 and 2. There you go. And make sure you hold that F down with your 1 finger. Okay, same pattern, right? Rhythm-wise. We're going to 2, 4, and 5. Okay, here you're going to play 1 and 4. And then hold that F down while you come down to the 3 on the A there. Okay, do what's most comfortable for you. I like 4 and 3. And then jump your whole hand down, 1 and 4. Okay, and make sure you hold that half note down, and then give a little space here, right? So 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and. Okay, ooh, you got to think about that one a little. So let's try it from here. 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and. All right, we did it. Let's keep going. Now here we're going to start on 1 and 4 because here we had 5, right? So we're going to have 4 finger and then jump up with that 2 finger again. So the 1 is going to hold down the F. Are you still holding down that F? Good. 1 and 4. Okay, we've seen this pattern before. And then jump down. Don't forget the 8th rest, right? And then 1 and 4 again. Okay, now this is a little bit tricky because we're holding that D down, but they want you to play a D again. That's okay. You can just pick up your finger and play it, but, you know, hold it down because it's still supposed to be sounding with that C, right? So we have the line, we have the D held down, and then we have to lift, but hold it down while you play the C again. Okay, whoops, don't hold down the 3 though. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there it is. Now, we're going to go to 1 and 2 here. Okay, then this is the 8th note this time, so we're going to jump up. 4, 5. Make sure you're still holding that A down. Okay, and then we're at the end now. 4 and 1. I like to come down to 3 here, and then 1 and 2. And that is the end, my friends. Now, compared to the right hand, this left hand is easy. We just have a whole bunch of 2-note chords, right? So, this is going to be whatever's best for your hand. I like 1 and 5 there. That's nice. I like 1 and 5 there again. I like 1 and 5 for all of those. Now these, I like 1 and 3. You can do 1 and 3 again. Why not? You're lifting, there's a rest between here, so you can just lift your hand, no problem there. How about that one? Let's see. E and B flat, I like 1 and 4. And then I'll probably go to 1 and 3 for F and C. You do whatever's most comfortable for your hand. If you like 1 and 5, you can jump up. But I'll do 1 and 4 and then 1 and 3 for me. Then I have 1 and 3. And then I'll do 1 and 4. That's just easy, right? Because I was already at 1 and 3. And now 1 and 4. And then I'll probably go to 1 and 2 here. But do whatever is best for you. And then down here, I'll go to, I like 1 and 4 for that. But you could do 1 and 5. 1 and 4, whatever you like. And then down, I'll do 1 and 5. And then just slide down another 1 and 5. Woo! That was much easier. All right, now we have some notes. Write the intervals under the notes in the bass clef within this song. Okay, let's get our handy dandy pencil out. Okay, I'm gonna get my eraser out too, just in case. All right, so let's go. We're in the bass clef, and I see an interval. What is that? That's a fifth. Okay, how about this one? That one is a sixth, and then that one, that's the same interval, right? That's a sixth, and then back to a fifth. All right, how about here? That one's easy. That one's a third, and then that's a fourth, and that's the same one. Fourth, back to a third. How about this one? Okay, there's the B flat, but that's still a fifth, definitely. And then that one is also a fifth. Okay, how about here? Third. Okay, how about that one? Fifth. Third. How about this one? Fifth. Fifth again. And a fifth again. Circle all the thirds in the treble clef within this song. Okay, so treble clef only. I see a third there. Is that a third? No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. 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 Uh-huh. Yes. No. 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 Yes. Okay, what's next? Draw a square around all the fourths in the treble clef within this song. Okay, so we're going to go to the treble clef and look for fourths. Do we see any? Aha, there's one. I need to draw a square. Okay, doesn't look super square, but it's a square. That's not. It's a fifth. No, that's a fifth, fifth, fifth. Do I see any more fourths? Ah, got one. Okay. Oh, there's another one, right? Okay, any more? No. No. Okay, all done there. Now it says, draw a triangle around all the fifths in the treble clef within the song. Okay, so we're going to draw a triangle around all the fifths in the treble clef. Let's see. Any, oh, there's one right there. Triangle. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Any more fifths? Found one. There's another one. Okay. Oh, another one. Wow, so many triangles. Any more? Oh, there's one. And another one. Okay, anything else? Let's see. Oh, I think that's one. Okay, all done. Good job, everyone. today we learned the Riddle Song, and we got to work on some intriguing technical challenges. We practiced counting and subdividing and rests and intervals. Wow! You are making so much progress. You're learning more about rhythm, including counting, subdividing, and rests. And soon, you'll learn about triplets and 16th notes. You're learning about dynamics and articulation and using them more effectively in your playing. You're learning about intervals and how to visualize them and identify them in your music. You're learning more major and minor scales, and you're learning more songs and increasing your repertoire. Have you given a recital yet to a friendly audience? Pick your best songs and play them for your friends, for your family, for your neighbors, for your pets, and all the other people in the neighborhood. Keep up the good work! Keep up the good work! Keep up the good work! Remember, memorize all your songs and your scales, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!